The Guide to Organic Septic Tank Solids Treatment. A septic tank plays a crucial role in managing household wastewater. Over time, solids build up and threaten the system's efficiency. Using organic septic tank solids treatment ensures safe, natural, and long-term solutions without harming the environment. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Key points. What happens inside a septic tank? Wastewater separates into 3 layers: scum at the top, liquid in the middle, and sludge at the bottom. The sludge and scum must be broken down to avoid blockages and costly repairs. Why choose organic treatment? Unlike chemical additives, organic methods support healthy bacteria. This balance speeds up decomposition, protects groundwater, and extends the life of the system. Types of organic solutions. 1. Bacterial and enzyme additives, introduce microbes that digest fats, proteins, and cellulose. 2. Compost-based formulas, add beneficial bacteria from natural sources. 3. Plant extracts, citrus, molasses, or yucca extracts boost microbial activity. 4. Aerobic boosters, controlled oxygen release helps break down stubborn solids. Best practices for use. 1. Dose treatments regularly for steady results. 2. Conserve water to prevent dilution of bacteria. 3. Avoid pouring toxic chemicals or medications into the system. 4. Schedule inspections and pump when needed. Benefits of organic treatment. 1. Reduces odors and backups. 2. Cuts long-term maintenance costs. 3. Protects soil and groundwater. 4. Keeps the septic system running efficiently. Adopting organic septic tank solids treatment is a smart way to safeguard both your property and the environment. By choosing natural methods, homeowners maintain balance within their septic system, reduce expenses, and ensure long-lasting performance. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.